Abusia asemu abawu yedi ehyiamu mu a me no kasa die more than 6,000 prisoners are escaping from prison na yankohwe de ekoi juma de eye 3 in 1 news ye hye yensem na se wahu yen hye ase emfiri ada yes before ayebeko prisoners ya omo escape ensem su no yanko ada violence bi a ekoso a eye between Ghana Security Service and se adan resident on say adan eye baby the whole Ghana ehonom na yenya enkyinenya eye original efri adan answer enkyini per information report no omo say so far ona no eye Magdan one of the Ghanaian billionaire our private jet ene enwade ade enkyini ya an what the aye private jet money ehonom anoma bebiri na woni bibi dia si nyina ne se wokọ adan emprempremu a ada residents and Ghana Security Service a clash ewo sa enchine instance mi hu a so far the adan for no any security for no 1% resident for no person will take it over 1% mo je enchine no every Magdan ne nkrofo ensem nanka wo motimamufo nanka sa wo hu wo mo eye wo mo adwuma eton bi ede bi eye wo no ma na yenhwe the asi and the ekoso ewa adan ya ba over 6,000 prisoners here escape from prison. You better also a woman side. Dear Queen. Emprem de woko adan enye yize ewo adan kura according to adan resident for no omo say security for no jai no mun take it over no mo ankasa won pretty wo mo ade wo hu say de be omo so ebia bibi kakra because say Nyankopon won say eho no na Nyankopon do omo akogu ena ankade a apie from ehonom so ene sort no ntianka san sort ya te said yakoma dan yes omo don toes na che say wo hu obi a wo de anka no so waye e de support na so abusuan omo say omo aton e de ma Magdan and so far wo de eye ne no ma yankosha de etwa go na wonim before ayebeko prisoners here omo escape ensensem so no Ghana Armed Forces at the krata bi ababontin na mepamcho yankan krata ne munsem omo release krata 25th December 2024 just intermission yankan the krata ni sunu omo say press release issued by the Department of Public Relations General Headquarters Bema Camp Accra and at some number BBA address BBA by a date 25th December 2024. I must say, stop misinforming the public. We a headline and a heading. The attention of the Ghana Armed Forces GAF has been drawn to an audio recording which has gone viral on social media platforms. The said audio alleges that a civil pickup truck has been allowed entry into the magazine at 5th Battalion of Infantry to convey boxes of ammunition to an unknown destination. GAF wishes to assure the public that the information on the said audio is false and should be treated with the contempt it deserves. Yes, contempt it deserves, according to Ghana Armed Forces. The vehicle that entered the magazine premises was there to deliver a newly acquired live cow to be quarantined, before being relocated to the Kra BBB, which is adjacent to the magazine enti kra no place what I say a omode sa car we here den sa life car we here den echo GAF wishes to call on groups and individuals to do due diligence by cross-checking whatever information they come about on the security services before spreading falsehood, which leads to misinformation of the citizenry. Such actions tend to create unnecessary tension and also cause fear and panic in the country, especially around this period. GAF wishes to once again remind all and sundry that its doors are opened and they should not hesitate to contact the Department of Public Relations for any enquiries about the institution. Anything that is done deliberately or inadvertently abusia ayeka o onum entwele suso enti ama eduru ba bia o say inadvertently yes against the peace of the country about the institution or say about the institution anything that is done deliberately or instead the makina against the peace of this country should be avoided. GAF reiterates its commitment to safeguarding the stability and sovereignty of the nation. Signed, Agri Koshi, Brigadier General, Director General Public Relations. Note to this editor, then. Abusia, enti so far away. Ane de omodi ababontin say news bi circulate say omo apakituo edikodi enkwasam ewo baabi omo say ente saa eye force according to Ghana Police Service and as Ghana Armed Forces. Abusia yankosha de ekoi minu kase de over 6,000 prisoners are escaping from prison. Na de tie nyina ne say asemi esi ewo Mozambique and empempriu de uko Mozambique a protest ekoso demonstration omo ye no Mozambique no esewani enam so ama Mozambique for do na awuwugu na abusia sa protest yi na chese enam so ama over 6,000 prisoners are escaping from Mozambique prison. Na yankoshe so far the ekoso ewo Mozambique ni padodo omo wugu and the ekoso and the prisoners omo iden omo escape here.
Plataforma Electoral the Seed estimates 90 deaths, 293 injured by live rounds and 3,486 detained in 2 months of protests following a disputed presidential election on 9th October. Protests rocked the capital, Maputo, on 6th to 7th December, with protesters setting fire to 2 state buildings. In the process, police reportedly killed 14 people. Protesters also cut off part of Maputo by lighting bonfires on highways, blocking traffic. National Police spokesman Orlando Mudumane said clashes with police injured 20 people. Electricity supply to southern Mozambique, including the capital, was disrupted after protesters assembled at 2 power plants, forcing authorities to shut them down. As a result, neighboring Zambia lost 300 megawatts of power imports from Mozambique, reducing supply to residences to below 7 hours a day. Protests escalated when Mozambique's electoral body declared 47-year-old
Abusia na chese Mozambique force no mo supply Zambia for electricity. Eti de ekoso a omo hihihye omo noma ensese omo noma no affect Zambia for so why den aka ho so far you say Mozambique security for akunkunkunkum nipa bebre what you say yes enti so far per video and enwa de enya ne so no over 6,000 escape achese tamwa na omo escape no ndie ya se chese omo to share won say your prison officers omo to share omo so no mu konka omo eno mo gigi omo ye kan say omo nu omo ekita omo nyina omo gigi ye o de yen kan we Ghana for one say breaking news. Over 6,000 prisoners have escaped from a maximum security prison in Maputo, Mozambique. They reportedly overpowered the prison guards and seized their AK-47 rifles. Protest is currently going on in Mozambique over what they called an illegitimate government. Yes, according to we na yɛnhwɛ wɔn video we mbra. Abusua enti empremprem deɛ wokɔ Mozambique a ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa kra a kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ as awerɛhosɛm. Subscribe to your channel yi for updates na amazing mefa wo nsi ahase yɛ.